Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb Music Bomb X portable Bluetooth speaker. There is a photo of the speaker itself. You can see what they look like. It also comes with RGB LED lights, as you can see. There's some extra information. This particular speaker is IPX7 waterproof resistant. It has Type-C charging. It has 20 hours of playback, music playback, which of course is with 50% at 50% music volume, and also has powerful bass. What other information do we have? Okay, so over here you have like more information, like output power is 20 watts, max supported MSD memory size is 32 GBs, charging time is 4 hours, playback time is 20 hours. Okay, and that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. There you can see this is very neatly packed. So this is what you find inside the box. This is the user manual for the Zebronics Zeb Music Bomb X portable Bluetooth speaker. Next up we have a USB-C type charger. There you go. And this is a metal snap hook for carrying this particular speaker around. So now let's take a look at the speaker. This is a very compact speaker. It weighs around 590 grams or 600 grams if you so prefer. There is this mesh design on top, and you will notice the two speakers. The two speakers are quite visible. Okay, so the volume rocker and the multifunction button is right on the top over here. There is a nice black and orange finish, color scheme going on with this particular speaker. It looks really nice. It's a very nice finish. It has a matte black finish to it. There is a flap over here. Let's see what's here, what's underneath this flap. So you have a couple of slots. There is a TF card slot, an aux port, and there is your USB-C type port as well. What other stuff do we have? There is a very tiny rubber lanyard over here as well. Although there are stops over here, anti-skid stops over here to prevent this from rolling away, you can use this particular speaker in this vertical manner as well, because there are some stops, extra stops on this side. You'll notice there you go, there's some extra stops on this side as well. So you can place it vertically like this to play music, or you can place it like this as well. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics Zeb Music Bomb X portable Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.